Hey guys, so as you can see, I just bought a new car and I found the trunk a little bit on the dark side. So I'm going to be turning this into this for this amount of money. It's a real simple job, so let's get into it. Right, so I went online to our friends at Taobao and I got this kit. I'll leave the link in the description down below. And when I say I leave the link in the description down below, I know most of you guys can't find it. So look right next to the title, click more, and you will get all the information that's hidden behind there. And that's where I usually leave my links. So the idea here is that this runs off the light. So when the boot closes, this light goes out and the LED light goes out as well. So I'm going to be opening this thing. Comes in a kit like that. There's some PVC black tape. There is a connector of sorts. You get a pry tool. This wire is for you to feed this through the seal, and this is the LED over here. Let's first grab your pry tool and open up this light. Let's see if I can do it. Yep. And there is your light, and this is a connector. Don't lose this. Okay. Can pull out your light. There's a catch right below here. You want to slide that out, and your light should turn off. Ah, there you go. So don't let that fall into the hole. Leave it dangling out there like that. You want to come to the side here, and you want to pull off the rubber. So should come right off. So you need to use a bit of strength. There you go. So the rubber came off. Create a little hole right there. With this wire thing that comes in the kit, feed it through over here. Okay. And then you have this wire, and you want to clip it over here. And this would split the main power source into two heads. This one goes to the LED, and this one goes to your light. They gave you a bit of electrical tape, and what this is for is to tie this end of the wire to this part of the tool. So you grab that thing and you wrap it around. Just like that. Then you pull it through. Okay. You might want to just pull that aside for a bit and pull it through. There you go. It comes out right on this end. Okay. You take that off. You don't need that anymore. You take that off. You don't need that anymore. And then, if you clip this in, let there be lights. Oh, no light. There we go. Check it out. It's so cool. So you still have the option of putting in your trunk light if you want. Okay. To me, that just takes away from the look of the whole car, and I don't really need it, seeing that the LED is so bright. So what I'm going to do is just going to stuff this in to the back like that. Right, this is secure. Yeah, into the back. Put all the wires in, and I'm gonna kill this light and just leave it in like that with it being disconnected. I push the seals back in again. Make sure you just stuff it back, and everything should be good. Okay, pull this tight. And there. If you like, you can actually make the LED start in the corner. I think that would be nice as well. So I can get it start here, and I run the wire on the inside. Just shove everything into the lining. There you go. And once you're done, just measure out a bit, somewhere there, and trim. Scissors. There we go. It comes with this cap. Cap it in, and then just push everything back into place. There you go. And once you're done, and this is what it should look like. If you like that tip, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.